Alright, hi. This is T.I. Tristan with TeamInfection.net. So, what I'm going to show you guys is how to load a custom ROM onto your phone. What we're going to do is... Camera's on. Alright, my camera is on. Alright, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to load a custom ROM onto your Motorola Cliq. What you're going to do is you're going to connect your USB to your phone. It's connected. Alright, make sure, in the first video I told you how to make sure unknown sources is selected, and the development USB is selected too. So settings, I don't know if you guys can see this, but going to settings, then you're going to go to applications and development, and make sure US debugging is selected. If it's not, you're going to have to select it. Alright, so everything's selected, and now we're going to look onto my screen. Now what we're going to do is you're going to open up command prompt. I told you how to extract the SDK onto your C drive, which I hope you guys did. If you guys didn't, you guys have to look at the first video on how to do it. So, alright. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our C drive. Alright. Now we're going to go to our CD, then the C drive, C:\\, then capital A, N, then the rest lowercase, ANDRIOD, then capital SDK. Oh, I guess it was OI, Android. Alright, we're there. So you gotta be in that directory. So once you're in that directory, we're going to copy and paste this, the ADB shell, blah blah blah, and we are going to go to, actually, then we have to go to our CD, then tools. Alright, so we're actually into the C drive, then we're into the Android SDK, then we're in the tools folder. So then we're gonna put that there. Alright, and when you need the recovery RA Cliq, which I'll provide, and you're going to need the recovery, which, where is it? Right there. Alright, you're going to put that on your phone and make sure it's in the root folder. Alright, so once it's on your phone, everything's good. Now you can proceed. Then let this go, and it's going, and it's done successfully. Alright, so everything's good, everything's awesome, we're A-OK. Now we can close out a command prompt. Awesome. So now make sure you have a custom ROM onto your phone, which I have is Toxic Mod 2.1 Quick Dirty. It's a really good ROM. If you guys want it, I'll provide links for like 3 different ROMs or maybe more, but it's really good. So now let's go onto our phone. Alright, this is T.I. Tristan, and with TeamInfection.us, I'm going to show you how to root your Motorola Cliq. First off, if you have Windows 32-bit, you're going to download the 32-bit. If you have the Windows 64-bit, you're going to download the 64-bit. I'm going to provide all this into the descriptions onto my website, so you can go there. And what you're going to need is to set up the SDK / ADB. If you haven't already, I'll show you within this video. Alright, so alright, I'm going to provide this within the link. This is the SDK for the step 2 that you need. What you're going to do is you're going to open this, and you're going to have this, okay? You're going to have that. You're going to go open your computer folder. You're going to go to your C drive or the D drive, which one you ever have. Alright. As you see, it says Android-SDK-Windows. What you want to do is change that to Android SDK. And that'll be done. Then, once after this is done and stuff, I'm going to drag and drop like I did right here. And after that's complete, it'll look like this, and just leave that how it is. Alright, now on step 3, you're going to need the flash the root update. So I will have a link. The update's right here. Alright, so alright, now plug in your phone Viva USB cable, which I've already did, and now let me do this right here, right there. Alright, now the USB is connected and whatnot. Now you're going to go to your C drive, and now it's right there. And you're going to find the update, what you have, and you're going to drag and drop into this. Make sure it's not into any folders, it's just in the root folder. So just drag and drop the update into here, and there you go. Now, make sure you don't unextract it, make sure it's a .zip, and it's into the root folder. And now I'm going to work on to my other steps and show you how to apply it. Alright, this is the other part of the video where I show you how to load the custom ROM, and you guys did that command prompt and everything about that. And what we're going to do is unattach the USB, and we're going to turn off the phone. So let's turn it off. And alright, it's off. Now remember the trick how I showed you how to the power and the camera trick. Yeah, you're going to do that again. So at the same time, power and camera button. And keep holding it. Keep holding it. Alright. Now go to recovery mode, which is the down button. So I'm into recovery mode. Alright. Now, you see this here? Let's say reboot now, USB MS toggle, backup, restore. Alright. What you're going to do is you're going to first make a backup. So if you ever mess up, you can always restore your backup. Alright, so it's the first option, and backup. So you're going to click the home key, and you're going to create backup, which I already created a backup. So, yeah. So, and to backup, you're going to hit that, hit the home key, let it process through. Then after that, after it's done processing, you're going to click the back button. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hit wipe. It's like the 5th option down. So you're going to click wipe with the home key. And wipe data factory reset. Then you're going to hit the home key. Then you're going to hit the home key to confirm it. So again, the home key. Now, it's going. Alright, now after that's done, you're going to click the back button, and you're going to click on flash zip flash zip from SD card. Hit the home key. Now I have multiple ROMs on here. I have the dev team, blah blah blah. I'm gonna do the toxic mod 2.1 quick and dirty, and make sure it's right there. And you're gonna click the home key and click the home key again to confirm. Now it's going. Awesome. With the toxic mod 2.1, there's what is it called? It doesn't have the super user activated, so there's like two ROMs. First, you're gonna do the toxic mod 2.1 if you're doing that mod, which I suggest you do because it's really, really awesome. So toxic mod 2.1, let that go through and verify and update the package. Let that go through. Again, I'm not going to make any cuts or stop the video. I'm going to let it process through, so it's going to be like a 10-minute video. Because if I do cut it, you guys are going to be like, wow, what's going on? And I really hope my videos do help you guys out. Welcome to Motorola Blur 2.1. You're welcome. Handler exploit. So make sure your phone is fully charged, and if it shuts off randomly, you're fucked. So let's that go through. Still going. The yellow bar right there, it's processing. So you guys should go to teaminfection.us. I'll show you what it's about. Alright. Teaminfection.us. Loading. It's loading to the board. Right now there's no front page because I haven't put up a front page yet, but alright. Here's the community board. We have social, so if you guys want to socialize, we're down for social. We have hacking, which is for beginner hacking, hacking tutorials, website and form hacking, hacking tools and programs, blah blah blah. Oh, and we're done. Alright, so after that, you can reboot system now, which you guys should do because you guys are loading a custom ROM. But this ROM's kind of different, the one that I'm using right now. So I'm going to have the su-2.2.2-signed.zip, and I'm going to hit home again and let that process through. Alright, and it's done. Alright, cool. Now we're going to reboot the phone by pressing the home key. It's rebooting. Apps like Wi-Fi tethering, and it's really awesome. Love how it. Alright, there we go. So, never mind, I wasn't gonna cut it because it went up to 9 minutes. So, yeah, it's actually really cool. See, the unlock, when you want to unlock it, that, boom, then just type in. It's really, really cool. And unlocking SIM card. Alright, now you're going to go through the process steps, make sure you sign in or sign up. Yeah, that's it. Teaminfection.us, make sure you guys visit that website. If not, you guys are gay, and I hope this video makes you burn in hell. Yep, thanks for watching.